In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website with an SSL certificate through Hostinger and configure your WordPress site to operate over HTTPS. First, we need to log into the Hostinger H panel. This is your administrative dashboard and where all the magic happens as far as managing your website is concerned. When you're ready, enter your credentials, typically your email and password, and click the login button. Once you're logged in, you'll find a wide array of options and tools at your disposal. Now let's install a free SSL certificate. Look for the section simply titled SSL. It's usually prominently located in the dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to the SSL management page. Here, selecting the option to install a free SSL certificate is just a matter of a single click. This is a crucial step because SSL encrypts the data transferred between your website and its visitors, ensuring security and building trust. Once you've initiated the installation, Hostinger takes a few moments to configure your SSL certificate automatically. Next up, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard, where we'll set up your site to run over HTTPS instead of the unsecure HTTP. This is just a matter of logging into your WordPress account using your admin credentials. Once inside, you'll be greeted with your WordPress dashboard, the command center for your website's content and functionality. What we're going to do here is install a plugin called Really Simple SSL. So navigate to the plugins section of your dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar on the plugins page, type in Really Simple SSL. The correct plugin should appear at the top of your search results. Look for that distinctive icon and click on Install Now. Just a few seconds are needed for WordPress to complete the installation. Once done, hit the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. When the plugin is active, it will usually prompt you with instructions. At this point, it's about confirming that you want to enable HTTPS. The plugin will automatically detect your existing SSL certificate and help you redirect your site's traffic through HTTPS. Following the simple on-screen guidance will ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. Your website is now secured with SSL, and you're using the more secure HTTPS protocol, providing peace of mind to both you and your visitors. This simple process not only encrypts sensitive information, but can also improve your site's search engine ranking, as HTTPS is a known ranking factor. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay secure and happy browsing!